Hey YouTube, this is going to be a room review of the Moxy Hotel in downtown LA. This is a king corner room. So you can look at a review I made link down below or up top. I did stay in this hotel last year and I got the standard room, which was like 88 square feet. This one is a little bit bigger at 267 square feet. So when we start in, you walk in, you have your master switch for the lights. Have a full length body mirror. Have a plug-in right at the door. You got your HVAC system. As you move in to your right, you have a nightstand with a old-fashioned rotary phone, but it is push button. You got a plug-in, USB-A, USB-C, reading light that you can operate by touching. You got 3 settings. Up under the bed on this side, you have some cubby holes and a little pull-out drawer for some storage. You have another plug-in here. So as you move in, you have a 55-inch TV. As you move to your left, you have your bathroom, which is a whole lot bigger than the one from last year. So you move to your left, you have your toilet. Got your sliding door. Then over here you have your shower. It's not the biggest shower. They give you body wash and shampoo. The controls for your shower. A little soap tray. As you move back, you have a light over your mirror, a magnified mirror, your sink, your towels, some hand soap, a plug-in, and controls for your lights in here. So these are dimmable. Over here for your shower, you can dim those. As you move out, you have a luggage rack. Behind the TV, you have instead of a wall, you have a full glass wall. So this is the view. You can see the pool, someone swimming in the pool. I'll get a better view in the daytime. Let's see, you have your TV, have little menu cards on a clipboard. You have your steamer and some hangers on some leather straps. On top of the TV, they give you this lamp, which I guess you can adjust where you want it at. And like I said, the walls are basically glass. This is your king size bed. Okay, California king is kind of big. You have 2 more cubby holes in the front. On the side, you have a pull-out drawer with your safe. And some more storage up under here. On this side of the bed, you have another plug-in, USB-A, USB-C, another lamp, Kleenex holder, and a remote control. And this roly-poly chair, if you're not careful, you will fall out of it. And this is the view on the other side of your room. So this hotel is very convenient for the Los Angeles Convention Center, is right here. And the stadium is basically right down the street. So all this is in walking distance. And like I said last time, I was on the 26th floor and you can hear music. I'm on the 18th floor now, so you can still, hear traffic and music from down below. They give you a little handlebar decor up top, another light up there. You got your air vents up there. So yeah, so this is a review of the Moxy downtown LA. For more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next video. I almost forgot the blacklight test. So, as you walk in, of course, like all the hotels we've been going to now, the walls just seem real dusty. So this is your air vent here. Door handle, not bad. HVAC, there's a few specs. Now into the bathroom. Oh wow. Now to the shower. Well, the shower's not bad. The sink. Check the remote control. And the bed looks okay. Okay, so yeah, for more videos like this, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you guys on our next room review video.